Welcome to Choice Champions. The best conference room POS system is probably one of the most crucial investments a modern business can make, ensuring crystal clear communication, seamless presentations, and an overall enhanced meeting experience for everyone involved, transforming ordinary boardrooms into dynamic hubs of productivity and collaboration where every word is heard and every idea is amplified. Number 5. Sony SRS-XB43 Extra Bass Wireless Speaker. Experience powerful extra bass sound that brings your music to life. This wireless speaker is designed to deliver an immersive audio experience wherever you go. Don't let the elements stop the music. It's built tough with an IP67 waterproof, rust-proof, and dust-proof design, ready for any adventure. Keep the party going from sunrise to sunset and beyond. Enjoy up to 24 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Set the mood with vibrant speaker and multicolored line lights. You can even control them through the Feastable app to match your vibe. Want to make it even louder? Connect up to 100 compatible speakers wirelessly with Party Connect to amplify your sound. Enjoy superior sound quality thanks to the innovative X-balanced speaker unit. It works in harmony with the line lights for a complete sensory experience. Stay connected on the go. The built-in speakerphone allows for clear, hands-free calls, perfect for both work conferences and casual chats. What we like. Experience booming extra bass sound with this speaker. It's built to withstand the elements with its IP67 waterproof and dustproof design. If you need a durable speaker for outdoor parties or poolside gatherings that keeps the music going all day, this is the one for you. What people say. The bass is ridiculous. In a good way. Sony isn't lying about the extra bass feature. When you activate it, you can literally feel the vibrations. 24-hour battery is accurate. I've tested this extensively. At medium-high volume, around 60 to 70%, I consistently get 20 to 22 hours. IP67 waterproofing actually works. Dropped it in the pool, accidentally, left it in the rain, also accidentally, and sprayed it with a hose to clean sand off, intentionally. Zero issues. The waterproofing is completely legit. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's a magical way for your child to learn and play. Watch as they interact with physical game pieces that come to life on the screen. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. This kit focuses on crucial early skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and phonics. It also encourages creativity and problem-solving. Perfectly tailored for ages 3-5+, it provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning through real-time feedback. The box includes the Osmo base, reflector, and all the fun game pieces needed for 4 engaging apps. Just add your compatible Fire tablet. Ensure your Fire HD 8 or Fire HD 10 tablet is compatible for the best experience. Check our compatibility list to confirm. What we like. Unlock your child's potential with this interactive learning kit. It combines physical pieces with a tablet for engaging educational games. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to introduce your preschooler to STEM concepts like counting, shapes, and phonics, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The setup was not too bad. You do have to install under the parent's profile, but it explains the process pretty well. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. My oldest loves helping his little sister learn her numbers and letters. Perfect to set up at our table while I make dinner. Great product. I had some initial reservations based on mixed reviews and the overall cost of the system. I decided to try it out and I am glad I did. We had an initial issue getting the tablet to see the play mat, but since then it has been non-stop fun. My daughter has only played 4 of the 6 apps so far and she loves them. The mixture of hands-on learning and technology is very well balanced. I like that my daughter can practice problem solving while also being creative. Number 3. Pyle PPHP849KT Dual 8-inch PA Speaker System. Introducing the Pyle PPHP849KT, a powerful dual 8-inch PA speaker system designed for reliable and rugged sound. Experience crystal clear audio for any event. With a maximum power output of 700 watts, these speakers deliver impressive volume and clarity. It's perfect for live performances, parties, or presentations. Connect your devices wirelessly via Bluetooth for easy music playback. Stream your favorite songs or audio content without any hassle. Beyond Bluetooth, enjoy versatile playback with built-in MP3, USB, SD, and AUX readers. You have multiple ways to play your audio. Featuring high-frequency 1-inch tweeters and a titanium diaphragm compression driver, it ensures exceptional sound reproduction. You'll hear every detail with precision. This system comes complete with speaker stands, allowing for optimal sound projection and placement. Get the best sound experience right out of the box. What we like. Get ready for powerful sound with this PA system featuring dual 8-inch speakers. It delivers a robust 700 watts of max power for impressive audio projection. If you need a reliable and versatile sound system for small events, presentations, or even outdoor gatherings, this system offers great performance. What people say. They were packaged neatly and they were not dents on the box. The wedding turned out great and the speaker quality was amazing. It did a great job projecting sound across about 300 square ft outdoors at a modest volume. Number 2. Pyle Bluetooth Karaoke PA Speaker PSBT65A. Introducing the Pyle Bluetooth Karaoke PA Speaker, your ultimate companion for powerful sound. This compact system delivers a full range of stereo sound, perfect for any party or event. Stream your favorite music wirelessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device. Enjoy your playlists from up to 33 feet away, whether you're using an iPhone, Android, iPad, or tablet. This versatile speaker system allows you to record your audio, perfect for practice sessions or capturing performances. Fine-tune your sound with adjustable echo, bass, and treble controls. Connect your devices easily with the built-in USB and SD card readers, or use the 3.5mm AUX input. It supports MP3 digital audio files for maximum compatibility. Take the party anywhere with its built-in rechargeable battery, offering convenient portability. It also features a stand mount for easy setup and ideal for both personal and commercial use. What we like. Bring the party anywhere with this portable karaoke PA speaker. It offers wireless microphone support and even audio recording capabilities. If you love to sing along or host impromptu karaoke sessions, this compact and battery-powered unit is perfect for indoor or outdoor fun. What people say. The speaker has a good sound and works well outdoors, plus it is light and easy to carry around from spot to spot. The battery life has been good. I have had this thing working for several hours of continuous use on multiple occasions with no problem whatsoever. MP3 sound quality was excellent both from our SanDisk 32GB flash drive and from our Acer laptop, despite some of the other reviews we read. Extremely light, under 7 pounds, featuring a recessed top carry handle. Number 1. Pyle PPHP 1049KT10 Wireless Portable PA System. Experience powerful sound with this portable PA system. It delivers a massive 1000 watts of peak power, ensuring your music is heard loud and clear. Enjoy immersive, stereo sound reproduction. The combination of a 10-inch subwoofer and a 1-inch tweeter provides impressive bass and crisp highs for a full audio experience. Stream your favorite music wirelessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device. It's perfect for both indoor gatherings and outdoor parties, connecting easily with your phone or tablet. Connect your music in multiple ways. With USB, SD card, AUX, and microphone inputs, you have the flexibility to play MP3s, connect external devices, or even host karaoke sessions. Take full control of your audio with the built-in EQ, easily adjust master volume, microphone levels, treble, and bass to achieve the perfect sound balance for any occasion. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. It comes with 2 speaker stands, a microphone, and a remote control for convenient setup and operation. What we like. Command attention with this high-powered PA system boasting 1000 watts of peak power and a 10-inch subwoofer. It's designed for maximum audio impact and includes Bluetooth for easy streaming. If you're organizing larger events, outdoor parties, or need a system that delivers impressive bass and clear sound, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Voices were clear and distinct. High-end sound was excellent. Bluetooth, FM, remote all work as advertised out of the box. BT pairing was simple. FM reception seems solid. The sound quality was clear and powerful, making it perfect for the event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.